To help us tailor the Audemic Scholar experience, users begin by sharing information about their stage of education, university, field of study, purpose for using Audemic Scholar, such as addressing procrastination or managing learning difficulties like dyslexia or ADHD. Users can then upload a PDF directly from their desktop or import it from Zotero, a popular reference management tool. Next, users can listen to the natural-sounding voices available and select their preferred voice, like the one you are hearing now. They can also choose to translate the content into Spanish and other languages. In approximately 30 seconds, we process the paper into an audio format in our customizable display. This includes a summary section featuring the key statements of the research paper. Users can navigate through each section of the paper, listen to the audio, and change the playback order of the sections. They can adjust the audio speed and customize the display by toggling the read-along function, changing the background color, font size, and line spacing to suit their preferences. Additionally, users can take notes by highlighting text and organizing their notes into categorized boards. From there, users can easily access all their notes on the board for efficient revising and export their notes to CSV for their own workflow. Users can organize their papers by creating folders and adding papers to them, ensuring seamless research organization. Users can switch to using Audemic Scholar on the companion app, where they can pick up where they left off in a paper and listen on the go.